Hi everybody! Today I wanted to show you a little DIY with, I got this at Sally's. It's by Beyond the Zone color shots. And I've used the purple kind before, but I wanted to try the pink. And it was $2 something, so I would say $3 with tax and stuff. And it tells you to add it to their depositing shampoo. I'm gonna try it with conditioner. I really love this conditioner. It smells good too, and it smooths out my dry ends. And I got a set of like trial size hair products from Ulta, and this was in it. And I wanted to try this out too, by Pravana. And it's just a treatment that you leave in your hair, like a mask. So I'm gonna add these two together with this. I posted a video trying some Ion Pink. That was about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks ago. And I wash my hair 2 times a week. I take showers every day, but I wash my hair 2 times a week, and this is what it looks like now. I also have gloves and a comb. I don't like brushing my hair when it's wet because there's more, it damages it more. But I do have this comb that's kind of wide-toothed. I have my bowl and a brush. So I'm going to add some of this first. It smells good. I love when hair products smell good. So probably a decent amount, about like that much. And I'm just gonna pump some of the conditioner in. This conditioner smells really good too. It's by Sexy Hair. It's the Smooth Sexy Hair, and I got it at TJ Maxx for 15 bucks, and they're usually like 40, I think. So this looks like a lot, but this color looks very pigmented. And it's cool because it comes in like a little syringe thing, so it's easy to, has a little reusable cap. And you can even add it to your shampoo or whatever. For 3 bucks, I think it's a good deal. I just want to add a tiny bit right now. That was about a mil. There's numbers on the side so you could tell how much you've used. And let's mix it up. It's more of a purple to me. Oh, it smells good. Interesting. Yeah, it looks more like a purple color. If you see my other video, I'll put it in the description. It was like a hot pink, and this is more of a purple color, so we'll see. I'm gonna add some more conditioner and some more of this just to get it how I want it. Okay, so I have a lot here now. My hair is relatively thick, so I wanted to make sure I get nice and saturated. And it's kind of scary because it looks purple. It doesn't look too pink to me. Like the box is super pink and it's called Bubblehead Pink. but it's a temporary, so it'll come out if it sticks. So let's put it on. So I have it all applied, and I'll take that stuff off after I clean up, and this is what it looks like right now. I'll probably leave it on for about an hour. It looks really purple, but we'll see if it even sticks to the darker parts in an hour. And I used all of it. I could have probably used even a little bit more, but that's good. So I'll see you in an hour. Hey everyone, so I just blow dried it. And it's very subtle, but I really like how it toned down. It like made my brassiness a little less. It looks more brown, and you can see the pink up here more than the other product I used. I really, really like this a lot. It's not too bright. And I just really love how it goes with the copper brown. It just looks so much healthier too. I really love how it came out. I wasn't really expecting it to be this. I wasn't really expecting it to be super, super dark, but I love this. I was a little scared of the more purplish tone to it, but I actually like it better than the other pink one. I just really love how shiny and pretty it is. So they have a lot of different colors in that Beyond the Zone shot. I've used a purple one before. My purple conditioner video, I think I used it in it. I think they have some other colors too. I'll link it down below to show you. But yeah, you could just add it to your shampoo, your conditioner, and it's $3, so it's worth a shot, you know. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video entertaining. And I will see you in my next one, hopefully. Have an awesome day. Bye.